One of our key pillars that we emphasize here is diversity and inclusion, and I'm very proud that today we are relaunching our LGBT+ Leadership Programme.
I'm excited to welcome our participants to this newly launched edition of the LGBT Leadership Programme, to spend the next 4 days to engage in exciting conversations and exchange in new ideas how to build their leadership skills as an LGBT talent.
People from the LGBT community have always assumed leadership roles in organizations. What we would like to do with our program is enable them to become agents of change so that they create inclusive work environments.
One of the things about the leadership program is being around a variety of people who are diverse in a number of different ways, and that includes LGBT orientation, that includes gender, race, social class. I think that's so important because diversity and inclusion, it's often intersectional and you bring different lenses of yourself.
People from the LGBT community often had to work against traditional societal stereotypes during their career. And this is a very important lesson that they can use to enable others, to empower others to become inclusive leaders themselves.
Actually, it was the fact that I'd never seen something like this before. I've never seen leaderships and LGBT intertwined before, because it's talked about a lot about diversity in the workplace and inclusion, but it's not talked about when LGBT people reach leadership positions.
Being an LGBT+ leader means being visible and being a good role model to other LGBT+ people who have the occasion of working with and being around.
I love the fact that I'm in a small cohort with around 10 to 15 people. It means that based on the discussions, I can learn from people who have expertise and insight into diversity and inclusion, LGBT inclusion in their organizations. Secondly, I can be challenged. And thirdly, when talking about things like personality differences and how people lead differently, I actually get to compare my approach with others' approaches, and I find that super helpful.
For me, courage or leadership means making other people feel safe, especially in LGBT+ related issues.
One of the new skills that I've taken away from this program is the ability to better navigate the complexities of the diversity ecosystem.
To lead is a capacity that you have to develop, and we help our LGBT talent how to express themselves in a powerful way that will make inclusion possible. That's the key to all these different elements, and how LGBT talent can become leaders and can lead from their perspective.